Welcome back to another episode of Rose Moment. I'm your host, Ken, and this is my lovely co-host, Dr. Ross.
Everything is everything.
Yeah, man. But we're gonna get straight into our hot topics. Actually, before we get into that, I have to stop myself for a moment. Right now, we're at the Arlington Museum of Art. This exhibit, it specializes in acrylic on wood paintings, and they're all amazing.
Yes.
If you look around us, you can see a few paintings.
That's right. And although the museum seems small, it's definitely worth a visit because it is an amazing place. A lot of the paintings, you can tell that they took a lot of time to put them together, even though it seems as simple as acrylic on wood. And Kay and I are both artists ourselves, we're both entertainers, so seeing other types of art is just breathtaking every time. So we make sure to always go to our local museums in every city that we stop in, just for the art of it and open our minds up to different things.
Reach. We're gonna get into our hot topics, starting off with movies coming out next month.
That's right.
Starting off with...
And next week.
That's right. Starting off with Death in the Nile.
Which we're really, really excited for. It comes out February 11th. Take it away, okay.
That's right. Death in the Nile is it's a movie that has Gal Gadot, and it's continuing off the plot of the first film with Dr. Ross and I.
Express.
That's right. Dr. Ross and I, we're incredibly excited for this film, and we can't wait for it to come out.
It's going to be a prequel based off Agatha Christie's books, and that's why we're super, super excited to see it. It basically always follows the plot of there's a mysterious murder, and the detective has to figure out who's the killer.
Yes.
And it stays on that simple plot.
Simon Doyle! You must meet Hercule Poirot.
My congratulations, madame.
Merci.
Well, he's only the greatest detective alive.
And Dr. Ross, J-Lo's new film seems like it's going to be a hit. It seems really good, and I'm excited for this film. Owen Wilson is a really good actor, and J-Lo is too.
That's right. We haven't seen Owen Wilson in a minute now since, he's been gone for a little bit, but actually we loved him in Zoolander 1 and 2. He was absolutely hilarious.
Don't even know her. We both did this. So whether we like it or not, we're in this together. We have to embrace the spontaneity of the moment. I don't want to be the punchline.
Really excited to see is The Lost City. It's going to have Sandra Bullock, Brad Pitt, and Channing Tatum. Everybody loves Channing Tatum.
Exactly.
But Brad Pitt specifically, he has long hair in this one, and this is going to be a real adventure because we're ready for that one.
Yes, but we're going to get into Nick Cannon. So Nick Cannon is saying that he has a baby shower with Brie Tessie, and it's a boy. My thoughts is, didn't Nick say he was going to celebrate?
Exactly. What happened to that? And my thing also is, Nick, why are you having more children over and over and over? Because your child just passed away. Let's be real, your child just passed away a month ago, and by having another child immediately with another girl seems very insensitive, But
Nick's going to do his thing. Let's get into our next hot topic with Jason Momoa. So Jason Momoa is still currently milking around over Lisa Bonet, and my thoughts is go home.
I think personally that he was probably cheating is why Lisa probably broke it off, but...
Dr. Ross, a lot of people are saying that, but I don't think he was cheating per se. I think that Lisa Bonet just didn't like him being in the spotlight so much, since Lisa Bonet is trying to have a calm and quiet life, drinking tea, while Jason Momoa is more action, going out there and enjoying the adventure life.
And now, although that might be true, because she might be feeling like that too, who knows what she's feeling. He was also in all the roles like the Game of Thrones, where he was on scene having very, very intimate scenes with a lot of his co-stars, and he still is very intimate with those co-stars in real life, prevalently not on set.
Gerber Life is accepting applications for their affordable grow-up plan. The grow-up plan gives your child $10,000 in whole life insurance protection.
Well, Emily was sitting on Jason Momoa's lap, and personally, Dr. Ross, it's all for the film, TV, just to get more publicity.
That was after Game of Thrones has ended. It's already been gone for years now.
You're right. It's still not okay to do that. But Jason Momoa is still faithful to Lisa Bonet, in my opinion. Let's get into our next hot topic with Janet Jackson. So we finished up Janet Jackson's documentary. It ended up being a 4-part series.
Oh yeah.
Yes. They were saying it's going to be only 1 and 2, but it ended up being 4.
Exactly.
So we watched the whole thing, and Janet Jackson was talking about Justin Timberlake at the end.
She talked about a lot of people, but I don't know. I feel like the whole part 1, part 2, part 3, and part 4 was just a lot of her complaining in 1, 2, 3, and 4 all night long.
And a lot of people are going to be saying that Justin Timberlake, that was an accident. Justin Timberlake really needs to own up and say that he did it on purpose. Because him and Janet were trying to make a movement.
Well, personally, I agree, like just to say, to agree with you, IK, but at the same time, I feel like what Janet said at the end of her documentary, which I kind of appreciate, where she had this short clip where she said it's from 2022, and she said that her and Justin are friends. Please don't keep bringing up old topics that are in the past, because it's over with. That was back in 2004. I don't think we should still be holding this against either one of them.
Everything about that, Dr. Ross, we don't know who brought up the topic originally.
That's true. Janet did decide to mention it in her documentary.
But we're getting to our next hot topic with Kourtney Kardashian and Travis Barker. So they've been posting throwback photos and new photos recently, just like wild. And Dr. Ross, Kourtney is having the time of her life.
I'm not gonna lie, IK, I completely agree with you, but let's just think about this for a second. Not Kanye, but I'm already reading about Kanye, but Kourtney and Travis Barker, it seems to me, I don't know if you agree with this, but it seems to me that they've died down. They were super, super popular when they first got together, and now their shenanigans is just, it seems like everyday life. People are not really paying attention to it because they're, they've been doing this since day one.
You're right, Kanye and Kim have currently blown them away, especially with, we all know that Kanye is probably paying the tabloids, allegedly. I'm gonna say allegedly, but still, Kanye, not to go into a tangent, but Kanye, you need to get your act together. Stop posting skinless monkeys saying that, what's his name, Pissy Pete has AIDS. Stop spreading rumors. Just chill out.
Kanye needs to get life. He needs to enjoy the time he's spending with Julia Fox, and he needs to just let it go. Because Pete hasn't done anything to anyone.
You used to call me on my cell phone.
You know, Dr. Ross, when we were saying that Pissy Pete is just a good old boy, it reminded me, Pissy Pete doesn't have AIDS. He has Crohn's disease.
Oh gosh.
I don't know what to say about that, Dr. Ross, but we're gonna cut it off right there. We're gonna keep it short and sweet.
That's right, because we're about to head on to the Chinese New Year's Festival, or Lunar New Year Festival. That's why IK and I are dressed to impress.
Welcome back, everyone. Right now, Dr. Ross and I are celebrating an Asian Times Square in Arlington, Texas. We're celebrating the Lunar New Year, or also as it's known, Chinese New Year.
That's right. This year is the year of the tiger, so claw your way into some success. Hopefully you guys have a blessed rest of your year and a fantastic rest of your day.
Right,
We're enjoying the festivities in Vietnamese town for Chinese or Lunar New Year.
Right. So have a great day. We'll see you guys in the next episode after we enjoy these festivities.